Good evening. My name is Chukwuabiama, Nonso, BMI, One Love. We are here in the hospital with our brother, the Prince. As you can see, by the grace of God, the Most High, he's regaining his strength. This is him, and I'm very much happy to see him. How's it? How you doing?
Yes,
thank God for that. So there is something that I saw, and most people are saying, to my hearing, that the blood they saw is not real. By the grace of the Most High, we've interviewed the doctor herself, who is in charge of this very situation, and she has confirmed that everything that you saw on net is real. The wife as well, we have interviewed her, and everything is real. I am here and I'm seeing it myself. Nobody is not telling me anything. I am seeing it myself. So he is here, and we thank God for his life. That's it. Another thing is that there is a serious thing that happened, and God delivered us all from that very appalling situation, because during the time that he was being carried, he was being brought here to the hospital, we got the news that he passed away. It was kind of, is this for real? Kai. But by the grace of the Most High, this is him, still alive. He passed away, he returned back to life, because it is not yet time for him to die. That is something we used to say to God, to the Most High, that none of our artists shall die. We used to make the comment that we will not look for an heir in BMI. And this is a confirmation of what we are saying in our platform. In the industry, in the music industry, we will not lose anybody in the music industry. This is our prayer, earnest prayer, day and night. Sorry there. We will never lose any soul in BMI. That is our prayer. BMI, what we are saying, one love, is not just